To activate your EBT card, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, ensure you have received your EBT card in the mail, as it is usually sent to you after you have been approved for benefits. The card will look similar to a debit card and will have your name on it. Next, locate the phone number provided with your EBT card, usually found on a sticker or a separate sheet of paper included with the card. This phone number is used to activate your card and set up your PIN. Call the phone number and follow the automated prompts to begin the activation process. You will be asked to enter your card number, which is the 16-digit number found on the front of your EBT card. Enter this number carefully, as it is required to verify your identity and activate your card. After entering your card number, you will be prompted to set up your PIN, which is a 4-digit code used to authorize transactions. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. You will need to enter your PIN twice to confirm it. Once you have set up your PIN, your EBT card will be activated and you can begin using it to make purchases at participating stores. It is essential to keep your EBT card and PIN safe and secure to prevent unauthorized use. Never share your PIN with anyone, and make sure to keep your card in a secure location. If your card is lost or stolen, report it immediately to the EBT customer service number to prevent any potential fraud. After activating your EBT card, you can check your balance by calling the customer service number or by using an ATM. You can also use your card to make online purchases or to buy groceries at participating stores. Remember to always keep track of your balance to avoid overspending and to ensure you have enough funds to make necessary purchases. By following these simple steps, you can activate your EBT card and start using it to make purchases. If you have any questions or concerns about the activation process, you can contact the EBT customer service number for assistance.